Hello students, today through this video I will discuss with you all about your English literature project for second formative assessment. You can see on my screen that I have given a note and the topic, method, all I have written. The subject is English literature and the topic of your project is kinds of stories. Before going to discuss in details, few instructions or note to be followed by all of you. You have to do this project in your English literature notebook. In few pages, I will give you the instructions for the drawing. So you have to draw that one neatly and do the color. Don't use a sketch pen. But if you want to decorate your project, you can do that one. But again, I am repeating the same thing. Don't use sketch pen for any kind of drawing or writing. You can use glittering pen. You can use any pastel colors or cresil colors. After finishing your project, after doing all the pages neatly, you have to make PDF file of all the pages and then you have to rename it by your name, class and roll number. Now for your betterment, page wise I will show you how to do the project. Now this will be the first page, or you can say this will be your cover page. In your copy, classwork copy, you will first write at the top formative assessment. Then whatever I have written, class 5, subject English literature, topic kinds of stories, method case studies. Like this way only you have to write. This should be the cover page of your project. Now let's come to the first page. This will be the page number 1. After writing your cover page, you will give the heading kinds of stories. Then this table you have to draw. For this table, you can take the help of your book, and from the chapter The Blossom Tree, there already we have done that how many stories, kinds of stories are there. Okay, so for example, I have already written one type of story and rest 3 you have to like in this format only. You have to draw this table and then first I have given folk tales, rest 3 you have to write. So this will be the page number 1. I hope it is clear to all of you. Next, after finishing this page, the 4 types of stories when you will finish writing, then in the second page at the top, you will give the heading of one kind of stories, suppose folk tales. Then what is folk tale? So that definition you have to write in 1 or 2 lines. For that reason also you can take the help of your book from the chapter The Blossom Tree and one example of the folk tales, and whatever example you will write of that particular example's picture you have to draw. Clear? So at first you will write the definition, then one example of the folk tale, then one picture you have to draw it of that particular example of that particular folk tale. Clear? Then the same way you have to do in the next page, the third page, the next kind of stories at the top you will write, then you will write the definition, then you will write the example, then you have to draw the picture. Like this way you have to do all the pages. Clear? Means the 4 kinds of stories you will write, and in each page you have to write about the definition and one example of each kind of stories, and then you have to draw. So in one page about one story you will discuss or write. Clear? So in this way I think you will need total 6 pages. Within 6 pages I hope you will finish your work. So after finishing all that work, you have to take the clear pictures of your project and then you have to make a PDF file and then you have to submit it. I hope it is clear to all of you. So thank you.